Meow, meow. Little sleepy kitty. It's a baby kitten. Get some swoops up there to get those ears. The ears seem in a lot different position on a kitten than on a full-grown cat. I'm just mapping the shapes in here. Helps to start with ovals for me. Ovals, circles, and then there's some other shapes I do a little different. I liked about this pose, you can see that little paw sticking out at the back. I just thought that was pretty sweet. So kind of just refining my shapes. Put the muzzle in there. It's a quick and easy way to get your muzzle. So make sure everything's in the right place, and then we can start putting in the details that I do feel are important, and kind of leaving out the excess stuff because less is more. It's a line to get the eyes in the right place. There's that little mouthy and nosy. And then that front paw is kind of a feature too. The one front paw and the one back paw. That back paw might have ended up a little bit too big, but that's okay. You know what? You learn with every single one, and it's not a big deal. Further shaping, always correcting as I go. Yeah, I feel like that back paw probably would appear smaller because it's farther away, but that's okay. It's still a paw. I just couldn't resist but put some claws in this one feature paw in the front. And I felt that I could improve on the eyes a little just by doing them again. I don't know if there's a whole lot of difference, but it's enough difference that I feel it makes a good difference. The tiniest little change in a line can totally change the expression. And the tabby stripes are wonderful for shaping Kitty's head and arms and everything. I'm liking this little kitty so far. Nothing so peaceful as a sleeping kitten, hey? Just really now kind of playing up the lines and helping what's important to stand out at this point. I like that. Using a bit of a darker pencil now too. I started with the 4B and this is an 8B. Again, a bit of a change. I like that too. That makes a big difference, that little line there. Thank you so much for watching today, and we will see you next time.